Welcome back guys to our vocabulary of the week series. Now the word for this week is enemy. We all know what do we mean by enemy. Enemy is a person who is hostile or who is having negative feelings towards something or someone. Now on the GRE you will find a lot of common words that actually mean enemy, but you may not have heard them earlier. Words like adversary, antagonist, challenger, detractor, foe is a common one, impugn, inimical is one of the words that you will commonly find on the GRE, nemesis, opponent. These are certain words which also mean enemy. Now what would be the opposite of enemy? The opposite or the antonym of enemy would be a friend or a supporter. So what are certain words that mean friend or supporter? Words like advocate. So advocate doesn't mean the person, or we are not talking about the profession, but if we say that she is advocating for me, the person is taking my side, so they are definitely my friend or supporter. Then we have ally, champion. Somebody is championing for me, they are again advocating or they are supporting me. Then we have words like endorse, espouse, spouse. Try to remember this word using the word spouse. Now spouse would be your partner, your husband or wife, so they would always support you. So similarly, espouse means to support someone. Lobbyist, the person is lobbying, supporting me. Proponent, protagonist, yes, and tout. All of these words are antonyms for the word enemy.